Hi there, Anastasia here. In today's video, we will address a common issue many encounter when launching a business: obtaining a professional email address. Whether you're already running a business or just starting out, you can start sending emails from your personal Gmail account. But I personally receive dozens of such emails daily, and I rarely open them unless they are from friends and family. Moreover, business emails sent from personal accounts will most likely end up in spam. Therefore, having a dedicated professional email is super important. So far, the process of getting a business email has been super complicated. But today, I want to show you how you can get your own professional email address and start using it in less than 5 minutes. So today I will show you how to set up a business email using Neo, who are also the sponsor of today's video. Neo is an email and growth marketing suite tailored for small business owners. Unlike email solutions such as Outlook and Gmail, which are geared towards larger enterprises, Neo has been purposely crafted for small business owners, for entrepreneurs and content creators. Getting your own business email with Neo is super simple. Head over to neo.space and click on Get Started. You can choose a domain name which comes to the right of the @ symbol at the email address. And I'm choosing to get a new domain name, thinking of something short like Anastasia Dreams, and Neo will give you the domain name free for the first year. You can of course connect your domain if you already have one. Next, create your first business email, such as hello@anastasiadreams.co.site, and get the password for this professional address. Decide whether to create emails for team members or not. I will opt not to, as it's just me in the team. Neo suggests commonly used emails like info.yourdomain.co.site or support@anastasiadreams.co.site. And on the following page, choose the plan and review the features. The package includes the chosen domain name, one-page website, and mailbox storage up to 10 GB on the starter plan and up to 50 GB on the plus plan. Now check out and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at 5 cool features that set Neo apart. Number 1 is that once you're logged in, Neo will give you an easy link to download Neo mobile app, so you can get all Neo's features right on your mobile device. The second one is Gmail import. Neo makes it super easy to manage all your email in one place, including emails that might come to your Gmail account. Set up Neo to import your new incoming emails on Gmail and reply to them with your shiny new Neo email address. Then email tracking. Neo lets you track whether or not your emails were opened. Let me show you. When I send an email to a colleague or prospect, I get a notification the moment they open it. This is super handy when you are sending out sales proposals, quotations, or marketing emails, so you know when to follow up. Then also another feature is one-page website. If you get your domain from Neo, you also get a one-page website, and you can design and launch it in minutes by using one of Neo's beautiful templates. This way, new leads and customers can start reaching you instantly. The other feature is appointment scheduling. Neo has a great way for you to start scheduling meetings with your clients and prospects. Create a meeting bookings page with your availability and share it on your website or email. No more coordinating back and forth to find a time to meet. Finally, Neo's team is constantly launching new features and functionality. I had the chance to get a sneak preview of 2 new features: Smart Write, which can write and reply to emails for you, and Email Marketing, which you can use to send out beautifully designed custom marketing emails to all your leads. Neo is the best tool I've come across, which has all the tools your business needs to start sending emails with your own domain name, and everything that you're going to need to start growing your brand. Try Neo for free using the link in the description. And if you're thinking about starting an online business this year, check out my video linked up there with the top 10 business ideas that you can start from home. I'll see you in that next one.